Okay, I have a review this time for a program called iTransfer. It's basically an alternative for Windows and Mac to iTunes. As you see, it actually has a very similar interface. You have your libraries over here, your iTunes libraries here, any playlist from iTunes, your device if connected, which isn't connected at the moment. You then can go to preferences. You just basically have your basic proxy and sources. Select the sources to be displayed and uncheck the ones you don't want to show, such as that, and then you can hit save. Now, it basically is iTunes, but you don't have to use iTunes Sync, and you can search your library, you can search your apps, and you can transfer various different formats from to and from your Mac and to and from various different iOS devices you may have, such as an iPad, an iPhone. You can do apps, you can do music, you can do movies, TV shows, podcasts, books, and ringtones. Down here you can hit this to show and hide the selected item to get a bit of a preview. It's a very basic interface. If you know iTunes, you should be able to get along with this program really quick, really easily. You should be able to pick it up without really having any tutorials. It's very straightforward. You can refresh your device and eject your device from up here as well. There, you can check, as well as checking for updates from here, you can also report any bugs you find and view help topics. Register and purchase from here as well. Now, let's have a quick look at the website and see what might be unique to this program as opposed to using just straightforward iTunes. Here's their website. As you can see, it is 10.10 compatible, and there is a Windows version, as you can see here. It costs $20. There are guides available on their website of how to use it. And let's see, you can transfer files among various iOS devices such as an iPad, an iPod, iTunes, and Mac with ease. Enable users to transfer apps, music, TV shows, ringtones, ebooks, photos, and even your camera roll without the use of iTunes Sync. You can back up your various files and you can back them up and then transfer them easily, which you can do. You can do backups, of course, in iTunes as well, but you can also do it from here. So if you're wanting to use this for other reasons, you can do it all from here. You don't have to do some with iTunes and some with this program. And it supports even the latest iPhones and iPads, including the new iPad minis versions. As you can see, you can, as well as transfer data, you can move your files from iTunes to an iOS device and vice versa, and from one iOS device to another. And also use your iPhone and iPod and things as a flash drive to store your files and transfer files. And one good thing here is it allows locate target files with smart filter functions and search, so you can search for a file, which is from what I don't use iTunes much actually. I just tend to use the files on my device, such as through a web browser. I might download and I might delete files from a program or an app on the actual iPad. So I don't really use iTunes much, but from what I can remember, on iTunes you don't actually, you're not able to search your files by typing in the keyword or whatever. So this could be very handy if you quickly need to find a file to copy across. So this is where I think this program could come in particularly handy, is if there's some obscure text, document. You've got maybe some document you wrote and you haven't been able to find it very quickly and easily on the pad itself, and you want to transfer it over as well. You can use search function and a smart filter to search your device, search your backups, and find the file you want. You can also manage your playlist from here, and you can. It says transfer large files very fast. Though from what I've seen in a quick experiment, it could be faster. It's not the fastest transfer ever. But then again, I've had iTunes be a little bit slow when I have transferred files as well. So would I recommend this? Well, it's not a program I would particularly use much myself, so it's hard to sort of judge from my own uses. But I would say if you transfer a lot of files from your iOS devices to your Mac or to your PC, and vice versa, and you want extra functionality such as being able to search and easily drag and drop files of various types, various formats, I would say, I wouldn't just say, right, go straight out and buy it, but I would say go to a website. There is a trial both for Mac and a trial version on Windows too. So download the trial, give it a shot, see what you think. It's not too badly priced. A lot of programs you see charge like $50 or whatever. It is $20, maximum $30, because it does seem to be on sale at the moment. But I've only currently seen it at $20. I will put a link in the description so you can easily get to this page to check it out for yourself and download the trial quickly and easily. If you have any questions about how to use the program or if it has a certain functionality, put the question in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can and see if I can help you out. So thanks for watching, and if you could do me a huge favour and subscribe, because it'll only take you a second and it will help me out a lot. Thanks.